case without a precedence 2 days ago in the US, where jury rewarded against Meta and YouTube case. So this is a signal that not just me, but objectively society is slowly leaning towards the conclusion that addictive design should be forbidden, the same way as, let's say, cigarettes or alcohol, and to the certain age. So if you are older than that, feel free at your own responsibility to use the substances or tobacco, but otherwise it's forbidden. So I think we are lucky in some way that this is happening, because to be honest, this was my first thing I did when I started my freewithtech journey more than 3 years ago. I stripped off all the social media. This was actually the first step, even before stripping off all the digital tools, to make a reset with paper journaling. So the first step was really this one, that I got rid of, let's say, my Facebook account. I got rid of Instagram. I got rid of basically all these big social media platforms in my life, just to prioritize the in-person connection, and used the chat only to arrange a meeting. So that's something I think I repeat myself here. I mentioned it previously as well, but this is the thing, that when you grow up with phone in your hands, it was really your own responsibility to draw this boundary between you and the tech. So between you and these digital and social media platforms, which were, by the way, designed, that there are experts that occupy themselves with the topic of addictive design and how to design these apps so that you can bounce back more frequently and give them more attention. So this is a hijacked system. We are all part of it, and I think the iceberg is moving, and I'm really happy to see such a not I don't think it's a conclusion yet, because they obviously they can object against the jury decision, but I think this is kind of a strong signal, and an event without a precedent, which hopefully sets the right direction for the future development of such platforms. Because myself, I personally needed to sort this relationship with the modern tech, and freewithtech is my answer, how I did it. But what if future generations didn't need to do it, because it is automatically forbidden? And I heard some voices, in schools that are banning the social media use, which is obviously a good decision to make. But this wasn't the case for me when I was growing up. So at least this is some hope and light at the end of the tunnel we are starting to see regarding this topic, I think. And yes, I think, the nervous system feels it way before. Nobody else needs to tell you you have to just put your phone away, because you feel that you're distracted. You cannot spend your time meaningfully. You doom scroll or whatever. It's evident. You feel it inside you, and that's a signal to make a reset. That's the first step to enter the freewithtech transformation from digital slavery to freedom, that I invite anybody who is watching these videos to do. Basically redefine the relationship with technology, so it serves you, not the other way around. And there is big hope that freewithtech is gonna be the default path in the future, not maybe in the near future, but we are starting to see this initiative at courts in the US, which is basically where this tech is primarily being created and developed, right? Okay, that's that for today, guys. It's kind of cold, so I'm gonna go now, and wish you a nice weekend ahead. See you next time.